Alright, TGIF. It's Friday. I just got done at parent-teacher conference. All good things. Love hearing good things about my little dude in class. It is pumping over in Jersey. So I am racing over there, trying to get OTB ASAP. Get out there, maybe catch some tubes. We'll see. You. All right, let's go. First look. It's pumping. Let's go. All right, we got like an hour until Steve Hauser gets out of school, gets down here. We're in Spring Lake. It's pumping. Denied. It's tough out here. Phew. We got Steve Hauser, Surf Pro.
Right here.
What's the claim?
I'm waiting for my sponsorship, Catch Surf.
You hear that, Catch Surf? Get on that. The East Coast JOB right here.
Get on that before someone else picks it up. Before I buy my own one.
Let's get it. It was very tough to get in the spot today. It was all over the place with this wind. I caught one proper wave all day. Snapped off the top, rode it in.
Yeah, me too. I got barrels.
Woo!
Yeah, another day in the office.
All right, so challenging session as you can see. Looked fun on the surface, but the winds were blowing everywhere. Blowing me out to sea, blowing me off the back of the waves. Got a couple fun ones. Definitely not the outcome I had hoped for the session. We'll see what the next one holds. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys are enjoying it, keep watching. Keep the stoke levels up. Phew.